So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a follow-up video to yesterday's video talking about YouTube's partnership program. But specifically in this video, I'm going to be helping you get more watch time so you can meet the 4,000 hour requirement. And this is going to be for any channel of any genre of content. This was requested by the homie Twizz Ballista, so I'm going to be teaching you today how to increase your watch time and do it strategically so you can reach that 4,000 mark. So let's get into the intro, boy! So just to keep you guys up to date, if you haven't checked out the last video, I really recommend doing that. But YouTube introduced a brand new system to be able to get monetized, which is good and mainly bad for smaller creators. But I'm on the smaller creators side, so I'm going to be teaching you how to get the 4,000 hours of watch time. And I've also made a video on how to gain more subscribers for your YouTube channel, as one of the requirements to join the YouTube partnership program is to have 1,000 subscribers minimum. So I really recommend you go and watch that. You can click on the card right now in the top right hand corner or in the description down below. Now the only favor I'm going to ask for you guys for helping out today is to subscribe to my other channel, Twizz Tech. This channel's only on 840 and it needs to be on 1,000 to be able to monetize and become a YouTube partner program associate. So if you guys could please go and subscribe to that channel, help a brother out in need like I'm helping you guys get more watch time right now. So there is actually various different ways for you to get more watch time on your videos, and for those of you who don't know what watch time is, it's the amount of time that somebody watches your video for. So if I uploaded a 10-minute video and they watched it the whole way through, that would equate to 10 minutes of watch time. So step number 1 is to get people to click on your videos in the first place. Now, I'm not going to recommend clickbaiting, however, it is essential. If you look at all the bigger YouTubers, they are clickbaiting, okay? So you want to, in the famous words of Casey Neistat, intrigue and not mislead. So you need to get people's interest sparked, but actually have it relate to the video. So what you want to do first is record the entire video, take the best part from it. Let's say I was recording a video and then my friend slapped me round the face. So I would take the entire video, take that specific part and put as the title, he slapped me round the face, ... or he did this, and then the thumbnail has to work with your title. I know this is more on how to get views and how to get the clicks, but that's the first essential step to be able to get more watch time. I go more in depth on step 1 on the how to get more subscribers video, so I really recommend you go and check that out as well. Step number 2 is to keep people watching. Now, it's all good having a 10 to 20 minute video, but if it's boring, and you have to be real with yourself, if it's boring and the content is just really bad, let me put it like this. If you're bored watching your own video that you made, then the chances are that other people are going to be bored watching it too. There's a famous rule that has been around on YouTube since forever. I've been watching since like 10 years ago, and there's always been this rule. It's called the 10-second rule. If you could get somebody to click on your video, which was the first step, and the second step is to get them hooked on the first 10 seconds. Make it entertaining. Get your favorite part of the video and put it at the beginning so people could see what the video is about, and then after that part at the beginning, put your intro, then do all your introduction and everything from there. I don't want to tell you how to get creative with your own video. I'm just telling you this is a technique that does work. So when people first click on it and discover your stuff, or your viewers are watching it, they could see that, they'll have a laugh, or they feel the emotion behind the video, and then they'll continue watching. But that's all good, well and said. But if the video is still boring throughout, then people are most likely going to click off. Now, the whole point of watch time is getting people to watch your videos. So try to make it as entertaining to the best of your ability. Make a video you are generally passionate about and a video that you would be happy watching yourself, like I said. If that is the case and you've done that and you've edited it well and you've really put some passion into the video, then I guarantee you people are going to watch it through. Now the third step would be to increase the length of your videos. Like step 2, you don't want to make it boring, but you want to make it entertaining enough. Don't overstretch it for the sake of having it longer than 10 minutes. 10 minutes is usually a good mark. Once you're in the YouTube partnership program, when you've got 10 minutes of a video, you can actually put more adverts in the video, which is why you'll find a lot of YouTubers actually put that. But as well as that, if you have a longer video and you get more watch time on it, YouTube actually recommends your video depending on 2 things. The first one being the amount of watch time you've had from most users or the majority of users, and the second thing would be the external clicks, like if people click on your link from Twitter or Discord or Twitch, if they're clicking your YouTube video from all these different places, then YouTube will recommend it. So that's kind of step 1, but just a bonus tip for you there. But just keep in mind, the amount of watch time is what actually gets your video pushed out and recommended by YouTube's algorithm. So don't stretch it out for the sake of stretching it out, but recommended 6 to 10 minutes is like the minimum mark. If you're really trying to increase your watch time on a video, then that's what you want to do. 6 to 10 minute mark minimum, and you have to be consistent with your uploads. The shorter your videos are, let's say you're uploading 3 minutes videos, then you're going to have to upload more 3-minute videos to be able to increase your watch time, taking into account whether or not they watched it in the first place. Now step number 4 is to live stream. This is one of the most advanced techniques to be able to gain watch time, and it's unbelievable how much goodness it could do. If you've got 5 people watching your stream and you do a 2-hour stream, that is 5 times 2.
Quick maths.
Now don't forget, it has to be within 12 months to be able to gain 4,000 hours of watch time. So 4,000 hours of watch time divided by 12 months is 333 hours of watch time in a month. So now 333 hours a month is equal to 11 hours a day at a rough estimate of 30 days. So I put 333 divided by 30 is 11 hours of watch time a day. So if you did a 2-hour live stream and you had 10 people watching, then that's 20 hours of watch time just in that live stream alone. Not to mention, the more you live stream and the more consistent you are, more people will come to your channel watching your content, and the watch time will just increase. Now you do need to keep in mind that people don't watch from start to finish, so just keep that in mind. That's just rough maths. I don't know specifically whether people are going to leave or not, but live streaming can be very beneficial, especially in the new YPP YouTube partnership program. If you're trying to get to that, I really recommend live streaming if you're a small YouTuber on YouTube. Now, if you are really close to hitting that 4,000 mark, you are really close, and you just need to get it up a little bit more, you could do more live streams and you'd be able to get there very quickly. Or you could very politely ask your viewers to go and watch some of your past live streams. Even if you're not watching it, ask your viewers if they could just leave it on or leave a live stream on yourself, and I'm sure you'll get there in no time. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video really did help you today. I'm all out for small creators getting funds to support the stuff like microphones and to get yourself cameras. I really think it's a negative thing, but it's also positive in a way that they've introduced this whole new system, so it's 50-50 really, but hopefully this video did help you. If you want to help me out for helping you out, make sure to subscribe to Twizz Tech, as we're so close to hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark, and I really recommend you go and check out that video on how to get more subscribers. I go in depth and you'll be able to take away from it. But thank you so much for watching today. I really hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to Twizz Tech, or maybe subscribe to Twizz Gamers. We're nearly at 10k. Am I right? So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Have yourself a fantastic day. It has been your boy, DJ Lordsy, inside the place. Peace out. Also, I'm going to be streaming the brand new Fortnite update today, so make sure to check that out. Like it's a moldy. Peace.